Let's find the geometric mean of 4 and 25. Short answer, 10. But let's see how I got there. So for 4 and 25, the geometric mean is the square root of the product of the numbers. Product, that's multiplication. So we're going to take the square root of 4 times 25. 4 times 25, that's 100. So we're going to take the square root, and the square root of 100, that's going to be, well, 10 times 10 gives us 100. So the square root of 100, that's going to be 10. So our geometric mean for the numbers 4 and 25 is 10. We're more likely to use the geometric mean instead of the arithmetic mean when we're dealing with things like growth rates or ratios. For example, if you have a population of bacteria that's growing over time in science class, you probably would want to use the geometric mean to look at that. This is Dr. B with the geometric mean of 4 and 25. The answer, that is 10. Thanks for watching.